Good morning, tea sippers. So I just wanted to let you guys know a little history, and I think this is probably the biggest secret out there, and no one was just paying attention, because you know we love those 20s, those 50s, and those $100 bills. It seems as of 2017, they got Frederick Douglass on the back of a goddamn quarter. Not only that, look over here. They have Maya Angelou as well on the back of a quarter. But guess who remains on the front of the quarter, you guys? You guys know. No one other than Egghead himself. So what is the big deal? Why haven't they put Harriet Tubman on the $50 bill or even the $20 bill? For crying out loud, she deserves to go on the front of that $20 bill, just like Frederick Douglass, amongst others. Sojourner Truth, Maya Angelou, they need to be put on the front of a quarter. What's the big issue? Guys, drop your opinion down in the comment section and let me know how you feel about this, because this was a secret that they were keeping. No one's paying attention, and that's why they're really trying to get rid of the dollar and make everything on credit cards so we won't have access to things like this. This is a secret. And not only that, guys, why didn't they put Harriet Tubman on the quarter?